Hey guys, how's it going? It's Tony. Just updating you guys on my position. I actually did end up buying two more $115 calls for expiring this week. Currently, I am up about $6,000 at peak around this level right here on the 120 towards the 144 level. I was up about like $40,000 at one point. I didn't sell because I actually thought that GameStop was headed towards the $160 level, but there was a big block sell right here. And this is actually when the market makers released, I think options upwards of $150, I think, or so. I'm still going to be holding. More than likely, we'll be holding till tomorrow. If we do hit that $120 mark again, or anything over 120, I'll more than likely sell. But just wanted to update you guys on my position. There is a chance that tomorrow or Wednesday we might more than likely rally like this again. The TA supports another huge rally, but we just have to kind of wait and see, right? We're still closed above $75, which is pretty insane, and that's exactly what we wanted. So tomorrow morning we need to kind of gauge to see what's going on, and then we kind of move forward. But just wanted to update you guys on my position. Currently up $6,200. At peak I was up about $40,000, so we'll see what happens tomorrow.